Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Is there any verse in Quran with the moon and the sun is anything related to the man? Means that if a solar eclipse occurs, we should not go out or something.
So that was the question, that is there anything in Islam regarding solar eclipse occurs, we should not go out, etc. Yes, there are various hadith talking about the eclipses. And once when there was a solar eclipse, people said, and that time the son of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ibrahim, he expired. So people said, oh, this, what has happened? Because Prophet's son expired, the solar eclipse took place. So then the Prophet said, the sun and the moon are the sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Quran says that in several places. Sun and the moon are the sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It does not get eclipsed because of some people. So he clarified that the eclipse is a sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And regarding, there are hadiths that talk that we should offer 2 rakah salah of eclipse is there. It's not a fard, it's a sunnah, that when eclipse is there, Muslims offer 2 rakat. And there are hadiths, for example, that we should take care. Like we know that today science tells us that if a solar eclipse takes place, if you look directly with our naked eyes, it will cause damage to your eyes. So these precautions are there. But as Muslims, we should offer 2 rakat salah for eclipse. That's what is the sunnah. Hope that answers the question. Any brothers? Yes, brother.